What if there was a team made up of conservation professionals focused on birds and their habitats? What if that team had the opportunity to compete while raising funds to protect the habitat of these birds? What if that team could conduct their breeding bird blitz in their own backyard? Let's meet such a team. MT Grob, Dr. Lori Goodrich, David Barber, and Bracken Brown. This is the inaugural year for the Breeding Bird Blitz created by the Pennsylvania Society for Ornithology. Teams of birders from across the state will take to the fields and forests looking for as many bird species as possible on one day from June 18th to the 21st. Through team sponsorship, funds will be raised to support vital habitat across the state. The Breeding Bird Blitz for Conservation will direct its efforts at conserving two priority species whose populations are declining in Pennsylvania. Preserving unfragmented forest, for the wood thrush, preserving extensive grasslands, for the northern harrier. This is a conservation collaboration with the PSO partnering with Hawk Mountain Sanctuary, Western Pennsylvania Conservancy, and Manada Conservancy. Please support these efforts. To make a donation, visit www.breedingbirdblitz.org and support Team Rosalie's Raptors, a team that believes the time to save a species is while it's still common.